Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use my Ulta Beauty concealer in medium warm and my Urban Decay all nighter setting powder to set it. Next, I'm using my Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette, and I'm just going to use that brown shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to use that mauve shade and I'm going to put that all over my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow up my channel, y'all, this year. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Girlactik Precise Marker Liner. Next, I'm using Kiss Lash Strip Lashes in the style Drop. And I'm using my House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gaps where I put my lashes, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Okay, I already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm just going to use that top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline because it's lighter. And I'm using the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using a combination of my Urban Decay setting powder and my ABA setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, the shade 440. Now I'm using Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush, and this is the Volume 4 palette. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to use that shade to highlight. For lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner and Club Hopper and my Makeup Revolution lip topper in Exquisite. Now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that is it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you all. If you have any suggestions, let me know as far as what makeup look you want to see next. Just let me know. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.